Hello students, welcome again. In this session I am going to discuss few important problems of exercise 5.0. I am not going to discuss all problems. Need of the hour which are very important to understand the main concept of this lesson. I will discuss only such problems. So I will directly moving to the second question. Okay, exercise 5.2 second question. This much only we can write in your classwork. Enough. Okay, how much I gave or how much I solved, from that only I will ask in essay 1. Don't worry about anything. So in exercise 5.2 second question I will read. In the adjoining figure means from this figure, in the adjoining figure identify the pairs. You need to identify the pairs. Pairs means two angles. Identify the pairs of corresponding angles, the pairs of alternate interior angles. In third one, the pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal and the vertically opposite angles. Four types of angles you need to identify. First one I will take. First one I need to identify the corresponding angles, pairs of corresponding. Which are the corresponding here? I will start from the angle 1. Angle 1 ಗೆ corresponding ಯಾವುದು? angle 5. corresponding angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ angle 1 and angle 5, angle 1 and angle 5. next pair angle 4 ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು? angle 8, angle 4 and look, you can write it in any form. Okay, you can write first angle 4 and 8, you can write it in any order. Next 1 5 is over, 4 8 is over. Now move towards 2 and 6, 2 and 6, angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding. Angle 3 and angle 7. Total 4 pairs of corresponding angles are formed. Okay, 1 and 5, both 5 and 1 both are same, so no need to write it once again. No need to write 5 and 1, already you wrote 1 and 5 here, so leave it. Next question, the pairs of alternate interior angles. We need a pair of alternate angles. In alternate angles we need interior, that's it. Interior means what? Either both are exterior or both are interior, but they are present on the opposite side. Transverse ಅಂದರೆ opposite side ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 4 and 6 are alternate angles, 1 and 7 are alternate angles, but 4 6 exterior angles ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಮತ್ತು 7 exterior ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? alternate interior angles. alternate ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 3 and 5 are on the opposite side of the transversal line. Okay, and both are interiors and they are alternate interior. So second one is 3 and 5, angle 3 and angle 5. First, next 8 and 2, angle 8 and angle 2. These two pairs are alternate as well as interior. Third answer, the pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal line. We want a pair of interior angles on the same side of a transversal line. This transversal line the same side, 4 3 8 7 left side, 1 2 5 6 they are on the right side. Among 4 3 8 7 which are the interior? 3 and 8. Among 1 2 5 6 which are the interior? 3 2 and 5. Therefore our answer is 3 and 8. Third answer is angle 3 and angle 8. Second pair is 2 and 5. Angle 2 and angle 5. They are the pair of interior angles on the same side of a transversal line. The third one it is. Last one, the vertically opposite angles. You can see many 4 vertically opposite angles fails. Only vertically opposite 3, 2 ಗೆ 4, 5 ಗೆ 7, 8 ಗೆ 6. So vertically opposite angles. You can write as many you want. I will write fourth one here. Don't mind. Fourth one. For angle 1, which is vertically opposite, angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3. Next, angle 2 ke angle 4. Angle 2 and angle 4. Next, angle 5 ke angle 7. Next, angle 6 ke angle 8. Okay, so by this question number 2 is over. In next session I will took up question number 4. Okay, question number 4, if possible I will solve here only. Question number 4. Fourth question, find the value of x in each of the following figure. I will just read the question. Find the value of x in each of the following figures if L is parallel to M. That 11 like symbol is known as a parallel. If L is a parallel to M, they are telling L is parallel to M. Okay, look, fourth A diagram, first diagram. L and this one is a M. L is parallel to M means we are discussing about a parallel lines now. So what happens whenever a transversal is drawn for a parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are also equal, and here T is the transversal. T transversal, and it is given, it is a 110 degree and it is a x, and find the value of x. Heading is find the value of x. You need to find the value of x. What is the value of x? x ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಾ? x ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 1 and 10 is exterior whereas x is a interior. ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ look here, if this is 110, the complete is 180. ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 180 ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 180 minus 110, it will give you 70 degree. It will give you 70 degree, and this angle is corresponding with this angle now. This 70 degree is in corresponding with the x. 70 degree is in correspondence with the x because different vertex, one is exterior, another is interior on same side of the same side of the transversal line. Therefore x is equal to 70 degree. X is also 70 degree because this 3 dot inverted is because corresponding angles. Okay. Second question. Here L, M, A is B is 100 degree, this one is x, this is a 80 degree. Okay, you need to find the x value. Here look here total 2 transversals are there. Okay, 2 pair of parallel lines are also there. A and B is also parallel, and I am not sure about L and M. Let's say only 1 pair of parallel lines are there. L is also transversal because it is cutting 2 lines. L is cutting A at this point, B at this point, therefore L is also transversal. M is also transversal because M is intersecting A at this point and intersecting B at this point, therefore M is also a transversal line. Total 2 transversals are there. Now I need to find the value of x. How to find? Can you observe? If you rotate this diagram 90 degree, these two will become, okay, and I am not sure whether A and B are parallel. In this case, what I will do? I can use vertically opposite. Ten. Parallel. Okay. If 2 lines are parallel, sum of interior angles is how much? This is 100. Vertically opposite is 180. Okay. If this is transversal, this is corresponding to 80 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 80 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್. L and M. Okay, you can observe L and M are parallel here. If L and M are parallel, no need to mess up this. It's very simple actually. I missed one point. This much is given in the question. If L and M are parallel, A become a transversal, 100 is corresponding with x, therefore x is equal to 100 degree because x is in corresponding. If you rotate this diagram 90 degree, just rotate your textbook 90 degree, you will see that this 100 degree is in corresponding with x, therefore x is also becomes 100 degree because corresponding with the 100 degree. Very simple. No need to measure anything, just you need to check which one is corresponding with which angle, which one is alternate with the which angle. So these 2 problems are enough for this exercise 5.2. By this I will close chapter number 5, and tomorrow I will discuss chapter number 6. Okay, thank you and all, have a nice day, bye.